Hi everyone, I'm John Michaelson, your guide to estate planning in Nevada, and this is a Legal Minute. We had a great question come in from someone who watched a prior video, and the question was, what is the difference between a power of attorney and guardianship? That's a great question, and the answer is the power of the court. A power of attorney is a private document, and so it's prepared as kind of a backup to your trust. So the trust enables someone that you trust to handle assets that are in the trust, like a house or a bank account that's titled in the name of the trust. But sometimes as we live our life, we have other assets that end up in our own name, like our car or a retirement account or maybe a rental property that we forgot to deed to a trust. And so most people that do estate planning, we create powers of attorney for them. And all institutions are supposed to abide by powers of attorney. That's banks, title companies, the DMV, hospitals, but unfortunately most financial institutions will not listen to your power of attorney. They won't abide by it. And so if you're trying to help your grandma and grandpa or someone like that and they become incapacitated and the asset that you're trying to manage is in their own name, you try to use a power of attorney. That's the least expensive way. But if that fails, you end up having to go to court to get a guardianship. And it's expensive, it takes a lot of time, costs thousands of dollars, but you get the force of the court behind you. And you can make those financial institutions give you what you want. So the bottom line is the difference between a power of attorney and guardianship is power of attorney is easy, less expensive, but those documents are easily forged, can be misused, or sometimes just aren't honored. And guardianship is much more expensive, but you get the backing of the court. A guardianship might also be necessary to stop abuse or financial exploitation of a loved one. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and thanks for listening.